as we started the series of lecture for the medicinal chemistry first, still now we completed up to the lecture 5. Now moving towards the next lecture 6, direct and indirect acting sympathomimetic agents. In the lecture 5th we completed the direct acting sympathomimetic agents. Now in this we will see indirect and mixed acting sympathomimetic agents. So let us start. Indirect and mixed acting sympathomimetic agents or drugs. First, indirect acting drugs. These drug produces their effect mainly by releasing noradrenaline from the storage site in the sympathetic nerves to the receptor organ. See, these drugs produces their effect mainly by releasing the noradrenaline from the storage site in the sympathetic nerve to the receptor organs. Means from the storage site to the receptor organs, they releases noradrenaline. The response produced by these drugs are similar to that of the noradrenaline. Okay, so what will be the response are produced by these indirect acting drugs are same as that of the noradrenaline, but difference is that they having the slower onset and longer duration of action. From this category, the first drug is the hydroxyamphetamine. So as shown the structure of the hydroxyamphetamine, its first point is mechanism of action. So first point is that regarding its classification, that it is an indirect acting drug and it is a derivative of amphetamine. Name the hydroxyamphetamine. So on the basis of name, it is a derivative of amphetamine which is lacks the CNS stimulant action. It's not having the central nervous system stimulant action. It causes the release of noradrenaline from the nerve synapses. It also releases the noradrenaline from the nerve synapses and causes dilation of the pupil. Next point regarding its uses. It is used in the form of eye drops to dilate the pupil. Second is that it is used in the diagnostic agent for the testing Horner's syndrome. Horner's syndrome is what? The damage of nerves of the eyes. Now the second drug from this category is Pseudo ephedrine. First point regarding the Pseudo ephedrine, that is mechanism of action. It having the both alpha and beta adrenergic activity. It have the high stimulating effect on the central nervous system. Third is that it has the both direct and indirect effect on the adrenergic receptor. So pseudoephedrine possessing the both direct and indirect effect on adrenergic receptor. Second point is that uses. It is used as a nasal and bronchial decongestant, and second is that it is used as a vasoconstriction. Now the third class of the sympathomimetic agent, that is a mixed acting drugs. These drugs having the both direct and indirect action, so called as a mixed acting drugs. So the name itself indicates. The first drug from this category is ephedrine. So the structure of ephedrine is shown here. And the next point regarding the ephedrine is mechanism of action. Again, it is having the both alpha and beta adrenergic activity. It has the high stimulating effect on the central nervous system as it is a mixed acting sympathomimetic drug. Third point is that it is a mixed acting sympathomimetic drug. The next point is that the uses. It is used to control the bronchial spasm in the asthma when given orally. So when this drug taken the orally, it means that it is used to treat the bronchial spasm. Second is that it is used as a CNS stimulant in the narcolepsy, that is a neurological disorder. These are the two main uses of the ephedrine. The next drug from this category is metraminol. Metraminol. So see, regarding this drug, structure is shown here. Mechanism of action, as it comes under the mixed acting system or the mixed acting category, it acts on the both alpha and beta receptors. Again, it stimulates the noradrenaline from the sympathetic nerves. And third is that it is a mixed acting sympathomimetic drug. Next moving point, that uses, it is used in case of the various hypotensive states. Various hypotensive states. Second, it is used in the treatment of hypotension. Means this metraminol is not only used to treat the hypotension, but also it is used in the various hypotensive states. So this is the second drug. So with this we completed the indirect and the mixed acting sympathomimetic drugs. Only the important drugs here we covered. So with this we end this sympathomimetic classification, that is direct acting drugs, indirect acting drugs and the mixed acting drugs. Thank you so much.